It just went into effect, saying it will spare crime victims from reliving their trauma.
Sex assault, domestic violence, theft, and drunk driving, just some of the types of cases that have been thrown out over the past 3 months in the wake of a Hawaii Supreme Court decision. Governor David Ige has signed House Bill 1549 into law. Defense attorneys have been using the Supreme Court State versus Thompson ruling as an argument to have their misdemeanor cases dismissed. The Honolulu prosecutor's office says the ruling led to more than 1,000 cases on Oahu getting thrown out since December, plus hundreds more on the neighbor islands. Under the new law, prosecuting attorneys can sign the criminal complaints rather than requiring the victim. Honolulu prosecuting attorney Steve Alm says victims can now have more faith that their cases will go through.
The procedures are, essentially been clarified. We're going to be able to do it in the safest way possible and not have to go back to a victim and ask them to re-sign a complaint that's been drawn up.
The new law is not retroactive, so any cases in which a criminal complaint was filed before the law took effect can still use State versus Thompson as the argument to get dismissed. Alm says his office will now look at refiling some of the cases that were dismissed.